Updates have been made to the Users tab to allow for better management of users. This right here is the default view whenever you click into the Users page. However, I want to see more information about each of these users. Now, I could click into each one of these and find the information I need, but that seems a little bit tedious. Instead, I'm going to go under Table Settings and look at all these options I have to choose from. Now, right now, I want to know everyone's time zone. That sounds like a fun thing to do. I'm going to click away, and I see everybody's in US Central. Now, looking at these time zones, I need to change them because, as you can see, I don't believe the people at the Hawaii office are in the US Central Time Zone. Now, like the first part of this, I could go into each of these specific users and change it, but that seems like a bit of a hassle. So I am going to select that user, and you're also in the Hawaii office, so we're going to select you, and we are going to do a bulk edit. Here you can see all the options I have to change things about these users. Now, specifically, I care about the time zone, so we are going to change that time zone to US Hawaii to closer match what these users would actually see. And now you can see that reflected in these users.